Hi, I'm Kit Allowitz. For the past 16 weeks, you and I and our intact work teams have been engaged in a weekly huddle aimed at identifying a preeminent, or what is a preeminent customer experience. These huddles have each lasted 16 minutes, give or take. We have begun collectively to unpack what a preeminent customer experience is. We have collectively identified, therefore, that a preeminent customer experience is a wise common purpose and 4 quality standards. Our common purpose at Anderson-Hauser is to create value. And maybe, in fact, it's more than just create value, but to create sweeping value, relentless value, unmatched value, complete value, and in the final analysis, value as defined by the customer. And for the moment, we'll take create value to begin with. A preeminent customer experience is additionally to live and breathe 4 quality standards. Those are, number 1, take ownership, no exceptions. Number 2, show courtesy, no exceptions. Number 3, be accurate, no exceptions. And number 4, live timeliness, no exceptions. Now, if you were game enough and decided that there were things that you could do for our customers around a common purpose and a set of quality standards to take your individual preeminent customer experience to the next level, and then to the next level, and then to the next level, then you likely got value out of the past 16 weeks. Our customers are requiring we take our game to a higher level by creating value every single time, by taking extreme ownership, being courteous, being accurate, and always being timely. With the conclusion of our initial 16 weeks of the pcX awareness and choice and practice sessions, we recognize that offering 16 huddles on our journey to a customer experience is just one single tiny lever to create an environment and culture where we at Anderson-Hauser live and breathe, create value, ownership, courtesy, accuracy, and timeliness. We would like to invite you to take the next lever or join us on pulling the next lever on our journey to become a predictable, reliable, repeatable, world-class, preeminent customer experience organization. For the next 10 weeks, therefore, we would like to invite our managers of people to be on the lookout for us. That means you, that means me, of doing, being, behaving our common purpose as well as our quality standards for and with our customers. This means both external customers and internal customers. When a manager sees this behavior of preeminence, your manager wants to give you one of these. This is a highly sought after, coveted, one-of-a-kind Anderson-Hauser pcX button. Want one? You should know they are in and the trendy thing. We've also asked our managers of people to additionally be on the lookout for coaching opportunities where improvement on a preeminent customer experience could be better, could be more consistent, could be done with more class, could be more repeatable, reliable, predictable, and done with a world-class approach. Let's collectively move to a preeminent customer experience for our customers, both external and internal customers. If, for example, you find that your role in the organization is having less frequent contact with our external customers, then your practice of being preeminent should be focused on our internal customers. That includes those sitting across from you on the table right now in another department, as well as our representatives. Then, in July of this year, approximately 10 weeks from now, we will have another round of 16-minute huddles to keep our initiative alive, to keep our commitment to the customer alive, to keep our march towards a repeatable, reliable, predictable, world-class customer experience alive. Consider joining the cause, or if you're already on the cause, turn up your commitment to the customer. It's what they need and expect from us. It's the Anderson-Hauser way. I'm Kit Allowitz, and we'll see you next time.